everyone, and welcome back to My Nerdy Kitchen. It is currently a very cold, wintry, snowy day. It's a snow day for me, so I am bundled up on the couch with a beautiful cup of tea. This is coming straight to us from Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Chapter 8, in which Hagrid invites Harry over for a cup of tea. So join me and learn how to make the perfect cup of English tea.
Time to get cozy. First things first is you are going to want a kettle or a saucepan if you don't have a kettle, like I do not. And you are going to bring a bunch of water to a boil. Look at all those bubbles. Now you're going to take your teapot and put some hot water inside of it. Give it a couple swirls to make sure that it stays piping hot when you go to serve the tea. Swirly, swirly, swirly. Pour that out and then put your boiling water inside of the teapot. I did that off camera because I was worried about spilling. Then you're going to take your tea and you're going to add that into your teapot. You are going to give 1 teaspoon for every cup that you want to serve, plus 1 teaspoon. So for me, I had 2 cups of tea that I wanted to serve, so I did 3 teaspoons of Earl Grey tea. You are going to allow your tea to steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, you can serve it. Because it's just me, I poured it all directly into my coffee mug because I don't have a teacup. Make sure that you have cream and sugar handy for those who like it. I took cream and sugar in mine, and let me tell you what, it made it delicious and cozy and wonderful on this wintry day. Now go relax and get comfy.
Thank you so much for joining me on this wintry day. Stay warm, stay cozy, and enjoy your cup of tea.